and especially our national triumvirate before we start our program. Okay, I will call on the member of the national triumvirate headed by our Prime Minister Captain Neil Master Powder Lapu-Lapu Tahu Jr. First Senior Deputy Prime Minister Alberto Master Powder Pantong Pinoy. Our second Senior Deputy Prime Minister Themistocles Master Powder John Paul A. Romeo. Our Deputy Prime Minister for Mindanao, Police Superintendent Rodolfo National Powder Salamander Balarias. Our Executive Minister, Police Inspector Judicial National Powder Daniel Kita Jr. And also, I will present to you all the national founders na niya sa atong atubangan karon niya sila sa atong program o sa atong activities karong buntagan. So I will present all the national founders na naa sa presidential table. And also our guest speaker for today, the provincial administrator of the province of Bukidnon, no other than our bro, Freddy Flores, representing our governor of the province of Bukidnon, si Freddy Flores. I will present also to you mga brothers, mga bro. Kani siya ko ay inalaywan ato ra ning Bernes siya niabot. Ato siya ipailaylang from Idolman, Bohol. And also the province of Bukidnon, Mamoy Nagos, meaning atong Congress, the province of Bukidnon, especially Malaybalay City, Valencia City, Marama, Kabanglasan, Kalilangan, Don Carlos, Barangay Colonia, Palihog Tindog, taga-province of Bukidnon. Next is the province of Davao del Norte. Next is Davao Oriental. Davao City. Lanao del Norte, especially Iligan City. Zamboanga City. Zamboanga del Sur, Antipolo City. Sibugay. Cagayan de Oro City. Misamis Oriental, Agusan del Sur and del Norte, Butuan City, at Compostela Valley, isa pa yung katawag, Almasanan, Zamboanga City, Badan, okay. Davao del Sur at Davao del Norte, ano yung natawag? Okay.
The consultation of the Journal Pro Sister, I would like to welcome address. Atong tagpong sa pasipan palakpak si Bro Alberto Master Founder Pantong Pinoy Senior Deputy Prime Minister.
Master Founder Lapu-Lapu Tahu Jr. Master Founder Themistocles John Paul Romeo. We have also our delegates from Luzon. We have Edwin N. Popoy P. Arellano. We also have Founder Torino, Founder Rivas Basas, personalities, good morning. This is a very important landmark in our organization. If some of you have attended the last Mindanao Founders Summit held in Davao City sometime in 2002, this is also the first Mindanao Founders Summit of the Mainstream Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated. And also, this is significant because, as you will see, there is the basic membership course, which is a must for everybody, a prerequisite and a requirement before you will be promoted to the next rank. Without this membership course, you will not be promoted even if you have already outlived the time in grade mo. So, to all of you who have sacrificed your time, your money, your effort, in behalf of the Guardians House of Doctrines, or the Triumvirate, and the host, Malay City Chapter, I welcome you all. Thank you.